morning, everyone. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Big trade overnight here in the Eurodollar options. The D's 90, 92, 95 put fly. 2s versus 55s traded around 75,000. We've seen 2s trade outright also, 10, 15, 20,000 times as well. So big buyer, D's 90, 92, 95 put fly here this morning. Also yesterday, open interest indicates those strikes have been, people have been focusing on those strikes the last week or so. Big buyer and put spreads yesterday in D's as well. D's 90 puts up 15,000, D's 93 puts up about 14,000, and D's 95 puts up 31,000. So we've seen the 90-92 put spread trade this morning so far 2.5s, yesterday 2s. A lot of interest in D's puts right now. Now 55.5 is the high so far in December. I had 56. We're testing very important levels. Remember the 10-year we were talking about trading up towards the 121, 121.03 where the 200-day moving average is, up to 27.5 last night. So we want to keep an eye on that 121 area. Red June 15 to 17 was the resistance area. We got up to 16 this morning, so you want to keep an eye on this resistance band right here. Now if we start to get above 99.17 in the Red June contract, I'd say you're looking for another leg up. That's a new contract high, I believe, 99.16. So the market's making new highs here. I do think you're going to run into resistance, but we're going to watch to see how the market closes. The green June, we've been watching the 200-day moving average there. 97.90 is kind of where it comes in. I want to see if we can start to hold above the 200-day moving average in the green June. Next level would be 98.01 to 1.5. Those are 3 highs we put in the green June on the last move up. I think those are going to come to be very important as well. I like that 200-day moving average, especially if we trade back down towards it and it becomes support. That's what I'll be watching. And then we'll look for a retest of those old highs of 01, 01.5. Now if we get above there, you're looking for a surge up to 98.10 in the green June contract. We'll see if that happens, especially since we're approaching the 200-day moving average in the 10-year note. Also, we don't look at the S&Ps or talk about the S&Ps that often, but you're coming up on big levels in the S&Ps as well. If you look at the monthly chart, this 14 even area is a big area. If you looked at the 79% retracement on a monthly, comes in around 93. Still looks like we could trade up a little bit more in the notes, but I'd be looking to sell some futures up there on the next leg up, especially that 79% area, and you get these old monthly highs. We're talking 08 highs in the S&Ps, so something that we'll be looking at going forward. Well, let's have a good day. We'll speak to you in the morning. Thank you. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com.